Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best wrinkle repair cream is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those looking to combat the visible signs of aging around the delicate eye area, offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to smooth fine lines, firm the skin, and reduce the appearance of crow's feet, ultimately restoring a more youthful and radiant look to your eyes. Number 5. LilyAna Naturals Anti-Aging Retinol Face Cream. Rediscover your skin's youthful radiance. Our advanced formula is designed to combat the visible signs of aging, helping you achieve a smoother, firmer complexion. Target those stubborn wrinkles and firm your neck area. This cream works to visibly reduce fine lines and restore a more lifted appearance. Experience deep hydration that plumps and firms your skin. With hyaluronic acid, it locks in moisture for a supple, revitalized feel. Support your skin's natural collagen production. This helps to improve elasticity and resilience, revealing a more toned and vibrant look. Let it work its magic while you sleep. This hydrating night cream helps to repair and rejuvenate your skin, so you wake up looking refreshed. Achieve the smooth, firm, and hydrated skin you desire. Embrace a more youthful glow with this powerful anti-aging solution. What we like. This cream is packed with retinol and hyaluronic acid for a powerful anti-aging punch. It's a hydrating night cream designed to boost collagen. If you're looking for a comprehensive nighttime treatment to combat signs of aging and deeply moisturize, this is a great choice. What people say. This eye cream is a game changer for my under eye area. It has significantly reduced the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving my skin looking smoother and more youthful. I've been using this wrinkle repair eye cream for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with the results. The cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly, and I've noticed a visible improvement in the firmness and elasticity of my under eye skin. The texture of this eye cream is amazing. It's rich and hydrating without feeling greasy, and it provides long-lasting moisture to the delicate skin around my eyes. My crow's feet have become less noticeable since I started using it. Number 4. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer. Tired of fine lines and wrinkles? Discover the power of our advanced formula designed to visibly reduce the signs of aging. Get ready for a smoother, more radiant complexion. This potent blend harnesses the benefits of retinol and hyaluronic acid. It works to hydrate your skin while targeting the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots. See a noticeable difference in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Our cream is specifically formulated to combat these common signs of aging effectively. Concerned about dark spots? This moisturizer helps to fade their appearance, promoting a more even and luminous skin tone. Achieve a brighter look with consistent use. Incorporate this into your daily routine for both hydration and anti-aging benefits. It's the perfect step to help maintain youthful-looking skin every day. Feel the difference as your skin becomes smoother and more revitalized. Embrace a more confident you with skin that looks and feels its best. What we like. Experience rapid results with this daily moisturizer featuring retinol and hyaluronic acid. It's formulated to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and even dark spots. If you want a fast-acting daily cream that addresses multiple signs of aging and improves skin tone, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a nice texture and absorbs quickly. This eye cream is very moisturizing and doesn't irritate my sensitive skin. I've noticed a significant reduction in fine lines around my eyes after using this product for a few weeks. Number 3. KAHI Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm Stick. Discover the KAHI Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm, your all-in-one solution for radiant skin. This innovative stick simplifies your routine, offering hydration and anti-aging benefits in one easy application. Combat the signs of aging with our powerful PDRN and collagen formula. It works to smooth out wrinkles, leaving your skin looking visibly younger and more supple. Experience the best of Korean skincare with this versatile balm. It's designed to address multiple concerns, bringing you a professional-level treatment at home. This multi-purpose balm provides intense moisture where you need it most. Use it on your lips, around your eyes, and on your neck for a plump, hydrated feel. Achieve a flawless complexion by using it as a makeup base. It creates a smooth canvas, ensuring your makeup glides on effortlessly and stays put all day. Need a quick pick-me-up? This balm doubles as a face mist, delivering an instant burst of hydration. It revitalizes your skin anytime, anywhere. What we like. This innovative balm stick offers multifunctional skincare with PDRN and collagen. It can be used as a lip balm, eye cream, neck cream, and more. If you appreciate a convenient, all-in-one product for on-the-go hydration and wrinkle care, this Korean skincare gem is perfect. What people say. This eye cream is very moisturizing and has helped to reduce the appearance of fine lines around my eyes. I have been using this eye cream for a few weeks now and I can already see a difference in the firmness of my skin. The texture of this eye cream is light and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. Number 2. MAREE Under Eye Balm Stick. Tired of dark circles and wrinkles? Discover a new way to brighten and hydrate your under eye area. This balm stick is designed to rejuvenate your delicate skin. Experience the power of hydration combined with anti-aging benefits. It effectively targets signs of aging, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. Specially crafted for older women, this balm stick addresses common concerns like dark circles and fine lines. It's your secret weapon for a refreshed appearance. Infused with key ingredients, it works to visibly brighten the under eye area. Enjoy a smoother, more radiant look with consistent use. The convenient stick format makes application a breeze. Get powerful results that help you look and feel your best every day. Rediscover the youthful vitality of your eyes. This under eye cream is formulated to combat the effects of time, restoring a brighter, firmer look. What we like. Targeted under eye care is delivered with this balm stick containing retinol and caffeine. It's designed to brighten dark circles and combat wrinkles. If you're specifically looking to revitalize the delicate under eye area, reduce puffiness, and achieve a brighter look, this is an excellent option. What people say. It really works to reduce the appearance of wrinkles around the eyes. The cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. I noticed a significant improvement in skin hydration after using it for a week. Number 1. Enaskin Naturals Retinol Collagen Eye Gels. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles around your eyes? Our under eye patches are designed to revitalize your delicate eye area. Infused with retinol and collagen, these eye gels work to reduce the appearance of fine lines and bags. Experience a more youthful and refreshed look. These moisturizing pads deliver essential hydration to combat dryness and aging signs. They are perfect for a relaxing and effective skincare treatment. Our formula is gentle on the skin, making it suitable for daily use. Achieve smoother, firmer-looking skin with consistent application. With 30 pairs included, you can easily incorporate this anti-aging treatment into your routine. Enjoy the benefits of brighter, more radiant eyes. Specifically formulated for women, these blue-tinted eye gels offer a spa-like experience at home. Pamper yourself and restore your skin's natural vitality. What we like. These under eye patches are infused with retinol and collagen to reduce wrinkles, puffiness, and bags. You get a generous 30 pairs for extended use. If you desire a quick, intensive treatment to depuff and refresh your under eye area, especially before an event or for regular rejuvenation, these are ideal. What people say. This eye cream is very effective at reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. The texture of the cream is light and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. It helps to hydrate the delicate skin under the eyes, making it look smoother and plumper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful too. Thanks for watching.